Hey Procraftinators! Today we are celebrating Cathy Arenzana's and Marla from Mad About Cards and Crafts 1K celebration for their YouTube subscribers. There are a ton of giveaways. The more stops that you comment on the hop, the more chances you have to win. The Greetery is giving away $10 gift certificate. The Cat Scrappiness is giving away a $25 gift certificate. 7 Kids Crafts is giving away two $20 gift cards. Not Too Shabby Shop is giving away a $25 gift card. Marla is giving away a stamp set from Ink to Paper and a $25 gift card to the Greetery. Cathy is giving away a $25 gift card to Whimsy Stamps, and Stamping Munchkins 25 is giving away a $25 gift card. The entries will close on October 23rd at 11:59 p.m. and one winner will be chosen from each stop and put into a pool for those gift cards and whatnot. So let's get to the card here. I have gotten a little far into the card. So what I'm doing here is I've got the Tonic Craft Kit number 12. I know it is an old one. It's not available anymore, but I'm sure many of you have leaf dies and whatnot. And I am embossing them into Nina 80-pound Solar White Classic Crest cardstock. And I'm using an embossing mat for that. Every die cutting machine is different, so however you emboss with dies on your die cutting machine would be how you do this. So I am just running a second pass here and just filling up my my card front here. I have this cut to 4 by 5 1/4 because I do like a little bit of a border around my cards. So I'm just filling this up, and this now is full to my satisfaction. I'm going to start ink blending on it. I'm starting with dried marigold. I'm just going to ink blend in a couple random spots. I believe for each color I did 3 random spots. I'm just going to fill up the card front that way. So I'm going to talk about Marla and Cathy for a second here. I met Marla and Cathy through Team Tiny. Any of you that have watched my channel for a while, I used to do Team Tiny until I graduated into the 1K subscriber category, and then I moved on. So I have known them for a little while. They're both great people, great channels. If you haven't subscribed to their channel, I suggest that you do so. They both are lovely ladies and do a lot of design teamwork and make great cards. Now I'm using Crackling Campfire, and this is a new to me color. Well, it's a new color, period. But I just got this. My husband was kind enough to get it for me for our anniversary this month. And I love the bright orangey red color. I thought it was very nice and fall. Like, I don't know why I felt like fall, grateful, fall, Thanksgiving kind of colors for this hop. So that's kind of what I just felt like doing. So I did add a little bit of aged mahogany here. I only put it in 2 spots, but later I will go back and add a 3rd spot because I just felt like all the rest of the colors were in 3s and I just needed to make it in 3s as well. So I'm just going back and forth with some of these colors, and I'm going to blend them out until I am satisfied. I don't usually do clean and simple type cards, and this one to me is fairly clean and simple for my style. So that's kind of what I'm doing here. I haven't crafted in a couple weeks. Those of you that follow my channel know that I've been suffering from migraines and just had a nerve ablation procedure in my neck to help stop with the migraines. So I haven't really been in the craft room very much lately, and so I'm trying to get back into that. So I did kind of do a fairly simple card for me. So now I've finished up the ink blending. I'm just going to splatter on some water and spritz a little bit, and do the whole distress thing, that most people do with distress inks. So we're just going to finish that up. And then I'm going to move on to these Fine Tech pearlescent watercolors here. I got these for my birthday from my grandma. I believe my grandma got me these ones. I don't remember which one got me which. My grandma got me a set and my mom got me another set. Some were pearlescent and some were, I don't remember what the other ones were called, but they were different. They're all shiny and pretty though, of course. So I'm going to splatter on some gold and, oh geez, I don't remember. I'm totally orange and red. There we go. The colors that match the card, of course. Got a little bit of a headache tonight. I've had a long day. I think I overdid it. So my brain is not working, but this video has to go up tomorrow morning, so I have to finish it. You know, procrastination here. So I'm just going to splatter on some colors here and make it a little bit shiny. I didn't want to be too plain here. I felt like the card was not enough for some reason. Like I said, I don't typically do clean and simple, but I was trying to get back into the groove of things here. So I'm just splattering on that last red color. Now I'm going to take this Thankful for You stamp from the Create and Inkspire July card kit. This is the Wildflower Sentiments stamp set. And I'm going to heat emboss this in some Ranger Gold embossing powder, which is one of my favorite golds. We're just going to stamp that in the Versamark, and then we're going to heat emboss that off screen. Well, I'm going to pour the powder on screen so you can see the color, but then we're going to heat emboss that off screen like I typically do. And then I do have some gold paper accents paper here, and I'm just going to mat that with a 1/8 inch border all the way around my card. The paper accents is some cardstock that I have left over from a card making business that I had but no longer have anymore. So I have quite a bit of this that I had bought wholesale, and I need to use up. So it's a pretty good brand of paper. I like it. All right, then we're going to move on to the inside after I get a little bit of glue there that I kind of smudged out. We're going to move on to the inside, and this is also from the Wildflower Sentiments from Create and Inkspire. And this one says, "You are loved." And we're just going to assemble the card now, put the card front on the card base. And then I'm going to move on to some Nuvo Drops, which I kind of had some issues with. Usually when I do my Nuvo Drops, I warm them up in my bra. I know that some people find that a little funny, but it works really well. I craft in a cold basement, so my Nuvo Drops get kind of cold and a little thick. So if you warm them up somehow, however you wish to do it, I find that my bra is quite handy. They will get warm and thinner, and they're much easier to deal with. Now, this first color here, I was impatient. This is the bright gold. It did not get warmed up very well, so it was not adequately warm. And the metallic colors tend to take a little bit longer to warm up, so I had some trouble squeezing it. Plus, I have trouble with these little bottles anyway. These are from the craft kits, and I despise the little bottles. They're hard to squeeze. But anyway, the liquid was actually thick and hard to squeeze out. So it was thick anyway. So then the next color that I used, the Auburn Pearl, it was a bit thinner because it's still in my bra while I'm using the gold. And so it was a much better consistency. And so then here, when I get done using this, I'm going to tap it on an ink pad, and the Auburn Pearl flattened out perfectly. The gold did not. They were not the same consistency because the pearl was thinner, and so my drops look not so great in the end, but it is what it is. Anyway, so this is a hashtag driven hop. To get to the rest of the videos in the hop, just click on the hashtag that will be in my title and my description box below, and you will see the rest of the hoppers, or the videos, the rest of the participants in the hop. I hope that you enjoyed the video today, and have a great day.